What if your headphones could sound exactly how you want? Dyson's OnTrac just got a game-changing update with customizable EQ and multi-point Bluetooth, all for $499. Ready to hear the hype? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into the Dyson OnTrac headphones, which just dropped a massive software update on April 2025. Priced at $499, these premium cans are trending hard. Sources noting a surge in interest thanks to a new customizable EQ and multi-point Bluetooth. Let's break down why these headphones are stealing the spotlight. Dyson's OnTrac were already a vibe with their sleek, customizable design and 55-hour battery life, but this new update, it's a game changer. First up, customizable EQ. The My Dyson app now lets you fine-tune bass, mids, and treble to match your music taste, way beyond the old bass boost, neutral, and enhanced presets. Whether you're into hip-hop's deep lows or classical's crisp highs, you're in control. And then there's multi-point Bluetooth, finally here. Seamlessly switch between two devices like your phone and your laptop without the annoying 5-second pairing hold. Users say this update has reignited buzz, and it's easy to see why. At $499, the OnTrac competes with heavyweights like Apple's AirPods Max and Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra. They boast best-in-class noise cancellation with 8 mics sampling sound 384,000 times a second, cutting up to 40 dB of noise, perfect for flights or busy streets. The 40mm drivers deliver a 6 Hz to 21 kHz range, giving you punchy bass and clear highs. Plus, that modular design with over 2,000 color combos for ear cushions and outer caps, you can make these headphones uniquely yours. The update just makes an already premium package even sweeter. How do they hold up? The sound is rich and detailed, especially now that you can tweak the EQ to your liking. Multi-point Bluetooth means no more fumbling when switching from a Zoom call on your laptop to music on your phone. The ANC is stellar, though some say it's not quite as voice-focused as Bose or Sony. Comfort is top-notch with micro-sway cushions and balanced weight, but they can feel heavy after hours if you're looking down. The catch? The update doesn't add spatial audio or newer Bluetooth codecs like aptX, so audiophiles might want more. Still, for most, these are a bold, stylish choice. The Dyson OnTrac headphones are more than just audio gear, they're a statement. This update fixes key gripes like limited EQ and no multi-point, making them a stronger contender in the premium market. Users note renewed interest, and expos are buzzing, with fans loving the personalized sound and sleek looks. Whether you're a music lover, a commuter, or just want headphones that stand out, the OnTrac deliver. Dyson's proving they're serious about audio, and this update is a big step forward. Subscribe for more tech drops. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments what color combo you're rocking with these cans. Let's turn up the sound.